Welcome to the Investment Challenge. The future isn't just code, it's grown. For the visionary, ready to redefine reality, we present a challenge that merges nature's ancient wisdom with next-gen AI. Forget silicon. We're talking about a brain-machine interface built entirely from the wilds of northern Ontario. This is the Bioneural Harmony device, a non-invasive, wearable headset that enhances focus, memory, and even links your mind to external data. And the best part? It's crafted from plants you can forage ethically and abundantly, from Sudbury to Thunder Bay. This isn't a fantasy. It's a blueprint for a revolution. The Investment Challenge asks one question: can you see the forest for the data? Our concept leverages the incredible properties of boreal plants. Chaga mushrooms, growing on birch trees, form the neural shield. Rich in antioxidants, they protect your brain cells, reduce inflammation, and ensure safe signal transmission. The birch trees themselves provide the structure. We weave their bark into a flexible headset frame and use the sap as a natural conductive gel. These are your wires. To boost performance, we add wild blueberries. They are loaded with compounds that enhance cognitive function, acting as a signal enhancer to sharpen the link between your thoughts and technology. Finally, common bulrush stems provide insulation, protecting our organic circuitry, while their roots create a bioadhesive to hold it all together. The Investment Challenge is about building the impossible from the possible. So, how does it work? Imagine a headset woven from birch bark and bracken fern. The inner mesh is coated with a paste of chaga, blueberry powder, and sap. As you wear it, your body absorbs these neuroprotective compounds. The natural electrolytes in the sap create a subtle bioelectric field. This is where AI comes in. Using a simple, low-cost bioamplifier connected to your phone, you can read these enhanced neural signals. An open-source app visualizes your brainwaves. The device boosts your focus from the herbal nootropics, and soon you can map thoughts to commands. Think lights on, and your smart home responds. This is the first step toward a seamless biodigital existence. The Investment Challenge isn't for the timid, it's for the builder. This project goes beyond a single device. It's about decentralized, bio-integrated technology. In 2025, we see AI shifting from rigid chips to organic, living systems. We'll use natural fibers from plants like bracken fern as bioscaffolding for soft, flexible interfaces that are safer and more integrated with the human body than any metal wire. We use fragrant sweetgrass as our wiring and even tap into the resin of white cedar to stabilize the electrical connection between skin and hardware. Sphagnum moss from a bog becomes the perfect conductive gel. This isn't just about connecting to a phone. It's about creating a kinship network where technology and nature are partners. The Investment Challenge is your chance to pioneer this future. To the billionaire with the courage to build what's next, the plans are here. The wilderness is waiting. Will you accept the challenge and fund the harmony between biology and the binary? The world is watching.